Assalamualaikum, hi. We are from Group 10. We will present about Smart Building System at Kompleks Pkns Shah Alam. I'm Nur ALIAH binti MOHIDIN and my group member is KESHANA anak perempuan Rajadurai and Nas AMIRAH binti Muhammad ADIF. Kompleks Pkns Shah Alam was established in 1977. Kompleks Pkns Shah Alam is no stranger to Shah Alam residents and its surrounding towns, as the first shopping mall to be erected in Shah Alam and was one even said to be the longest standing building in Southeast Asia. The mall still managed to be one of the top destinations in must-visit list to this day, and the building is still relevant to serve publics with various types of shops, property developers, real firms and government office to this day. Malaysia building industry has seen changes in digitalization technologies. Thereby, the purpose of applying the IR 4.0 concept to Kompleks Pkns Shah Alam is to remain competitive among other new developed building. When they have the systems and processes adopting in the building, allows them to provide better service to visitors and clients that they could be getting from building management. Second, to enable integration of information technologies such as IoT, smart sensor and building automation system to the building facilities. These smart technologies are equipped with advanced sensors, embedded software system and robotics to collect and analyze data and allowing building management for a better decision making. So, both purposes may promote productivity, improve department communication and empower employees to be better access real-time data while managing their daily duties.
Design suggestion. We have designed a proper plan for the complex Pkns building. In the Pkns building, there is no disabled parking area. Therefore, we have provided disabled parking area beside the lift lobby, and we also suggest indicator sensor at each car parking area.
Suggestion of idea based on rationalization. First, we have provided smart car parking system. Based on the case study area, we get to know that inside the car parking lot, there is no installed the smart car parking system. This can be seen that the car parking indicator should be installed at each of the car parking lots. The technology should develop in the building because it prefers the people to easily find the space, especially for disabled people. Moreover, install the infrared sensor in the combination of ultrasonic sensor because it can detect the presence of a car in a particular spot. In addition, by using the IoT software, driver can check through the internet or mobile app that which slot or which area is empty to park their car. Second, provide disabled parking system and space. The parking space for disabled person was not provided at the basement of the Pkns building. It will make it difficult for disabled people to park their cars. As a result, parking for the disabled should be provided in the basement area, which is close to the lift lobby as it can easily access into the building. This is also allow driver with wheelchair sufficient space to get in and out of their vehicles without being obstructed by other parked cars on the left and right hand side. Moreover, provide an infrared IR sensor and the RFID reader to avoid unauthorized person parking the car at the disabled person area. Third, we have provided accessible toilet. In the building, the disabled person toilet should be specially designed to better accommodate people with physical disability, which will make them too comfortable using the toilet without any other bite of help. As we can see in the Pkns building, the accessible toilet was provided, but it does not accommodate disabled people to use it because of the poor facility requirement in it. In addition, the purpose of an accessible toilet should be enable disabled people to gain prompt access to facility that might be different from regular toilet in terms of available space, layout, equipment, flooring and lighting. Besides that, increasing the technology with using LED light and exhaust fans switch on automatically when they enter to the toilet. Moreover, install an infrared water tap to automatically open and stop the water flow. Fourth, we have provided building management system. The building management system should be installed with the IR 4.0 technology, which is based on the IoT system. At the Pkns building, the technology needs to install with the computer-based control system which will improvise the use of the facilities in the building. This system will increase the comfort level of the occupancy in the building.
Okay, next is justification. For smart car parking system, Kompleks Pkns is compatible with ground sensor combining with overhead indicator sensor. Ground sensor are battery-powered wireless sensor that installed in each parking area. The most direct and universal method of monitoring occupancy. Space availability is directly displayed in real time via changeable message sign, also allowing user to see the availability of the entire rows of parking bay. Two-way digital RF radio frequency communications are used to transmit the sensor real-time detected status to the smart cloud parking management service platform. The total cost of ownership is quite affordable because each sensor is connected to an overhead indicator and powered by low voltage parallel wire cabling. Next, disable parking system. We use RFID. RFID will be used to monitor disabled parking spaces. Disable parking system can self-remove violators by bringing them to the public attention via alert technology. Psychologically, the violator will be aware of the action, and if others observe them as well, the probability of them moving to another parking place is high. Okay, based on figure below, the disable parking system begins when a car pulls into a parking slot. The RFID sensor will be engaged whenever it reaches the defined distance to find any permitted RFID tags. If the RFID detected is lawful, the system will blink the green LED to signify that the disabled are entitled to the parking. The LED will blink red and an alarm will activate to notify that non-disabled person has violated parking space. Okay, next, an accessible toilet should be installed a lamp with motion sensor. Motion light have an electronic eye that detect this motion and turn on the lights, and also will stay on for a set period of time or switch off when the movement stop. Okay, a washroom exhaust fan that remove excess moisture from the air, limiting mold and fungal growth and preventing damage to the wall and ceiling. An automatic exhaust fan uses a sensor that operates a fan when the humidity level rises at a certain point and then turn it off after a certain amount of time. Also, automatic taps that can assist cut down on the time and effort required for manual deep cleaning. Also provide other advantages that might making life easier. Installation of this technology inside an accessible toilet to make hand washing straightforward and easy for everyone, including elderly, wheelchair user, and those who can reach the faucet handle easily. Next, for building management system, suggestion for Kompleks Pkns to install building automation system (BAS), which enables exact coordination between various responsible groups to manage and optimize resources. A building automation system is a network that links and automates various functions within a building. All the building's control systems were wired through one set of control, from lighting to HVAC to fire and security. Input and output devices are connected to a controller and a user interface. All of the components work together to collect, process and alter data. Energy management system (EMS) are energy management system that can collect more detailed data and utilize it to evaluate and alter the energy use of a building. It is suitable to implementing at Kompleks Pkns since their building services system operates separately. There are 5 primary components of BAS. First, input device, which is sensor for data gathering. And next, controller that act as the brain of the system on deciding how to respond to the data. The output device, which is actuators, carry out controller's planned reaction. Next is communication protocol, as a language for the parts to communicate with each other. And last thing is user interface, that screen and dashboard to examine producing data reports. Okay, next for implication. Smart parking. Smart parking focus on making it easier for driver to rapidly discover available spaces, reducing time spent on the road. Smart parking reduces distraction by reducing traffic, reducing the risk of distracted driving. Assist driver in locating parking spaces by using sensor as well as the lighting to signal an available space. Driver can simply assess availability using red and green light rather than scanning for empty space, and assist them in planning their parking maneuver by alert the car behind. Smart parking also help to alleviate traffic congestion by speeding up the parking process. Sensors synchronize a cloud platform which feed the data into a mobile apps, which can help enable rapid payment through the smartphone. And accessible toilets. Motion light, automatic exhaust fan, sensor tab do not require any contact, making them suitable for the disabled. Low energy consumption, because they are rely purely on movement and environmentally beneficial. Sensor tab can avoid the cross-contamination between users. When sensor tab are constant maintained, the level of hygiene are vastly greater. There are no handle on the sensor tab that need to be pushed, so it requires less maintenance compared to the normal tab. Building management system. A building automation system bus consume less energy and allows to monitor how well the system are operating at any given time. Also aware of what needs to be repaired and when, which means of lower maintenance costs. It can help enhance indoor air quality for the user safety by automating indoor air quality monitoring. Bus can issue an alert and the ventilation system will start pumping fresh air automatically. It also can interface with the security system to automate threat response. When a fire occurs, the bus can instruct the hatchback system to handle smoke by bringing in fresh air. Also communicate data to the first responder to assist them in locating the cause of the fire. That's all from us. Thank you.